Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and I'm a professional software engineer working in the field of IT industry. In today's video, we are going to talk about the blockchain technology. So, please watch the full video. We will be right back after this short break. So, before knowing more about the blockchain, first let's see the history of the blockchain. Before blockchain, there is a lot of corruption going under the table, in which a lot of black money transaction happens, and these records are stored in a database. So the question arises, are these databases are reliable? The answer is no, because there is no centralized system for it. So we didn't have access for it, only the admin have access for it, and he can change the data anytime. So to overcome this problem, we have created a decentralized system which is accessible by all through all the networks and next to impossible to tamper the database. The concept of blockchain came into 1990 but actually implemented in 2009 when an anonymous developer named Satoshi Nakamoto have developed a Bitcoin with the help of blockchain, and after that cryptocurrency boom occurred. In easy words, blockchain is nothing but a register of a shopkeeper in which he records all the details of the object or the product which he sells on the shop. So blockchain is nothing but a chain of blocks in which every single block stores some relevant information. The first thing which is stored in these blocks are the relevant information. For example, Bitcoin will store the transaction records of the Bitcoin. And the second thing which is stored in these blocks are the hash code. Hash code is nothing but a unique ID. For example, in Aadhaar card, after giving biometrics, address and all the relevant information, we get the Aadhaar number. So whatever the data we are storing in the blocks, that's generate a unique code according to the data. The third and the most important thing which is stored in these blocks are the previous block hash. That means the hash or the records of previous block have been saved into the newly chained blocks. Again, newly blocked will save the data of the previous one, which makes a chain and the chain of blocks. And the chain which does not contain the records of the previous block, that is the first block, which is known as the Genesis block. So actually we are tracking the history of the blocks, and that's why it is easy to track the information, which makes it unique and difficult to hamper the data. There are a lot of security layer implementation out there. So in blockchain, if we try to change the data of block, then it will change the hash ID, and by doing this, previous blocks will get invalid. And if you wish to change the hash ID of all the blocks, then it will take a lot of time. Suppose for an example, in Bitcoin, if you wanted to change hash of one block, it will take more than 10 minutes, and if there are 1 crore blocks, then it will take around 200 years to change the hash code of every block. And this time concept was proved by the proof of work concept. Proof of work means one party have to prove to others that a certain amount of a specific computational effort has been expended to complete the task, which enables Bitcoin transaction to be confirmed and recorded without a central authority. And the third added layer of the security is inside the network, all the members must have a copy of the blockchain. It means if you want to make a change, then you have to share your block with the other members also. And after that, they will conduct an election in which all the members have to vote, and if the majority of the vote is in your favor, then only you can make the change. This system of voting is known as Census Rule. Nowadays, blockchain technology are used in various domains, especially in cryptocurrency. Secondly, major use case we can find it in real estate business, in which the notary works are done in blockchain technology. And the third use case we can find in the hospital management system, in which patient records were stored and doctors can easily access the relevant information, where patient data is also secured. We can use blockchain for projects, startup and different business idea. In these blockchains, There is a code which we call as smart contract, which are treated as real contracts in a digital form. It is just a code which defines the transaction of the data in the contracted manner. That's all for today, guys. Hope you guys have liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and share the video.